And because of the conditions today, air travel is definitely going to be such a mess. So far, we've got 133 cancellations at DIA and about 24 delays too. And that's just likely to increase as the day goes on because it's expected to snow all day today.
Right. So joining us now over the phone is Alex Renteria from Denver International Airport. Alex, thanks for joining us this morning.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
So if people were planning to travel today, of course they should check their flights ahead of time. But it sounds like, at least last time we spoke, you guys are pretty much fully operational.
We are fully operational. All 6 of our runways are open. Pena is wet. There could be a couple of snow-packed areas, but we're ready to go for those travelers who are able to get out of here.
Yeah, I know we had talked yesterday about this weather is going to be bad across the country. Dallas is having some issues. Chicago's having some issues. Are you seeing any delays because of all of that?
You know, airlines could be seeing delays because of, flights that are arriving, but we are seeing the majority of our flights get out of here, but folks can expect to spend a little extra time in the aircraft for those de-icing operations, but we're anticipating a full schedule today.
And Alex, we talked to you about an hour ago, and you talked about the de-icing efforts that you guys are doing at the airport. Can you talk more about what your crews are doing today to just make sure flights are on time?
Yes, so we have a full snow crew staffed. So you'll see them on Pena, in the parking lots, on the runways, and then airlines are, they oversee their independent de-icing operations. So you'll see those going. And we're fully staffed, and we're ready to get some flights out of here.
Last question for you. It seems like, for whatever reason, Denver International Airport is kind of like in this pocket where you didn't get as much snow as some of these other places. Is that kind of still what you're seeing out there, and that's the reason you're so operational?
Well, our official snow total is similar to, everywhere else since we're the measurement. So we're at 2.1 inches. I expect that to get a little bit higher as the next snow total comes within the next couple of hours. But, I think we're a little bit different because we're Colorado and we're Denver International Airport. We're really used to the snow, so we can clear a runway in 15 minutes or less.
Absolutely. You guys know how to do this. Yeah, 2.1 inches doesn't sound too bad, and then we've got like 13 in our backyard. So we really appreciate you joining us on the phone, and we really hope that you guys can keep up with everything out there. And for anyone heading out, that will be good news. Alex, thank you.